Hi everyone, happy Friday. We are almost done and it's almost the weekend and then it'll be Monday and I'll be able to see you guys. All right, so yesterday we talked about revving up our minds before we read nonfiction books. So today we are going to continue with that. So I'll go ahead and present. Okay. And we are going to rev up our minds before reading nonfiction texts by reading the text features and think, what will this mostly be about? And then today we're going to recall prior knowledge and build expectations. All right, so one way of organizing our thoughts is organizing it through the main idea. So we'll have the main idea, one detail/example that goes with the main idea, and then another detail and example that goes with the main idea, and then another detail or example that goes with the main idea. All right, so let's test this out with gorillas, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and open up to what are gorillas? So we have gorillas are the largest and heaviest primate. They are part of a group called apes, which also includes chimpanzees, orangutans, bonobos, gibbons, and humans. All apes have a large body size and weight. They have broad chests and long arms. Apes have big brains and they do not have tails. Gorillas share similarities with other apes, yet their specific size, shape, and color set them apart. And let's go ahead and read the text feature right here. Like all apes, this gorilla does not have a tail outside its body. All right, size and shape. Gorillas are the largest apes on Earth. Males are always bigger than females. When standing upright, gorillas are about 5 inches shorter than the average human adults. Although some male gorillas grow as heavy as 550 pounds, most males weigh between 300 and 440 pounds. Females weigh between about 150 and 200 pounds. A gorilla's shape is unusual among non-human apes. Its stomach is larger than its chest. This huge belly is due to the size of a gorilla's intestines, the stretchy tubes attached to the stomachs that absorb nutrients from food. A gorilla's small intestine would be nearly 33 feet long if it were stretched out straight. Gorillas' arms are much longer than their legs. They also have bigger muscles in their arms. Gorillas use their powerful arms for walking and finding food. They almost always walk on their hands and feet, even though they can stand up on their legs. A gorilla's belly is even larger than its wide, powerful chest. All right, so now let's go back to our chart and try and fill in our details and main idea. All right, so I would say our main idea for this is the size and shape of gorillas. So I'm going to put the size. All right, and so let's find a detail or an example from the text about the size and shape of gorillas. So I'm going to go back and reread, and we know they're the largest apes on Earth, and that the males are always bigger. So I'm going to put that. So male gorillas are always bigger. All right, now let's find another detail. Let's see. I know that the gorilla's shape is also unusual among non-human apes because its stomach is larger than its chest. So I'm going to put so the gorilla's shape is unusual because its stomach is larger than its chest. Its chest. All right, and my last detail, I know that gorillas' arms are much longer than their legs. They also have bigger muscles in their arms. Gorillas use their powerful arms for walking and finding food. So I'm going to say gorillas use their arms for finding food and walking. Alrighty. You are going to do the same thing for your independent work. You're going to use your nonfiction book that you started reading yesterday, and you're going to fill out this chart. Make sure you share this with me. That way I can put it in the grade book. So if you don't share this with me, it'll be a 0 in the grade book. Once you are done with this, you'll go back to Canvas and click on reading to look at the rest of your checklist. All right, I will see all of you on Monday.